Good day. Our subject for today is English, and our topic is all about parts of a book. And this is based on most essential learning competency in English too. If you're only new here on my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. I have here first a life encouragement verse that can be seen in Psalms chapter 46 verse 1, and it quoted this way: God is our refuge and strength, a helper who is always found in times of trouble. And again, I'm Teacher Beth. I'm the one who will guide you in your learning in English too. Plants, animals, people, and even things have their own parts. We read books every day to sharpen our knowledge or skills. If we read a book, our language literacy and vocabulary are developed too. For today's topic, we are going to identify the different parts of the book. At the end of the topic, you can recognize the common terms in English relating to parts of a book. Remember, if you want to learn, you must listen attentively. The different parts of the book are: number 1. The first part of the book is the front cover. On this part, we can see the title of the book, the author, and the illustrator. Sometimes the illustrator is the author. Let's take a look at this part. This is a book in Araling Panlipunan. This is my example. This is a DepEd book in Araling Panlipunan for grade 2. We can see here the author of the book. They are the one who wrote the book. Sila ang nagsulat ng libro. There is also a title of the book, ang pamagat ng aklat, tungkol saan ang aklat. It refers to the main topic of a certain book, kung ano yung mga topic o pinag-uusapan sa aklat na iyon. Always remember, books have different title according to each purpose. Number 2, publisher. This is the company who print the book. Kung sino daw yung nag-reproduce, sino nag-print ng aklat. Sila may isang company o company na nag-print ng mga aklat. Remember also, you cannot reproduce a book unless you have a permit to reproduce or recopy it. Next, illustrator. Illustrator, these are the one who draw picture in a book. Sila yung mga designer, nag-design ng isang aklat. As what I have told you earlier, an author could be an illustrator too. Next, table of content. This table of contents refers to the list of pages. This is all about the topics that can be seen in the body of the book. Number 6, appendix. This is an additional matter the author writes at the end of the book. It can be seen at the end of the book. The 7th part of the book is the glossary. This is commonly seen at the back end of the book. This is a list of words used by the author, usually hard words or difficult words, and in glossary, they put the meaning of these words. Next, index, back of the book index. This is essentially a roadmap to the book, listing names, places, and things in alphabetical order and giving the page numbers associated with each topic. And next, bibliography. This is a list of books of a specific author or publisher or a specific subject. We can also find it at the back of the book. Lastly is the text. This is the pages of the book where the content is put. This can be also called as the body of the book. It contains all the information, story, and many other. This is also the part where we can see all the explanations, all the main topics and subtopics of each part of the book. Now, let's try if you've learned our topic for today. You can get also your paper and pencil or anything that you can write on your answer. Direction. Give the different parts of a book. Identify what parts of the book it is. Number 1. The first part of the book. You can call it as a... Let's try if you answer. Cover. Amazing. The answer is cover. Number 2. What part of the book is that? That is a pages or text. Very good. Congratulations. Number 3. This is the part of the book where you can find the hard words or difficult terms used in the topic. What part of the book is it? Let's see if you can answer the question. Good job! Glossary. Next, number 4. This is the one who wrote the book and it can be found in the cover part of the book. What do we call this? Yes, author. They are the author. Or it is the author. You're the best. Good job. Number 5. This is the part of the book which you can find the list of pages of the topics. What part of the book is it? Let me see your answer. Ta-da! Table of contents. Good job. Very nice. Okay, let us take a look on this part of the book. Let's try to identify the different parts of this book. This part, the title of the book is My Big Fat Pumpkin. That is the title. We can find it on the cover page. And this part is the author. This one is the illustrator. And this part is the spine. It holds the book tightly. This part is the back cover of the book. The inside part of the book, we call it as the pages or the text.
You can do it now.